Hello foodies, welcome to FoodyRulz. Today's recipe is this perfect egg fried rice made using leftover rice. So today I'm going to share some of my tricks and hacks by which you can bring that flavor of street food. Yeah, it totally can be same as that street style one. So first you need to add 3 tablespoons of oil on high flamed pan only. So make sure that your pan is high all the time. Then add 2 eggs. It doesn't matter if the egg sticks, you can just remove it later. Then mix everything and make that egg aside, like just give some space for all the chilies, beans and carrots to fry aside. Then just cook all these things on high flame only. Just add all your vegetables, whatever you want, but the standard things are red chilies, green beans and carrots. Just mix everything. And forgot to tell you something, you should not add onions. Onions will spoil the taste. Before only I'm telling you. Then add 2 cups of leftover rice. Then mix everything. Yes, like the total recipe is only about mixing, just on high flame only. Then add a bit of vinegar to it. Then also a bit of green chili sauce, also some soy sauce. So here my green chili sauce has some pepper powder in it, so I'm not adding the pepper powder extra. If you don't have pepper powder in your green chili sauce, you can add pepper powder around half to 1/4 or else even 1 teaspoon according to your taste. Add a bit of salt and just cook it on high flame only. The trick behind this high flame is that because of this high temperature, the rice starts to burn. But if you mix continuously, because of this motion, this rice doesn't get burned and you get that smoky texture and the smoky taste in your rice, by which your fried rice will be the best one. Then add some spring onions. Just enjoy. I'm guaranteeing you this will be identical to the street food which you eat outside. Don't forget to try it at homes. Tell me how it came for you in the comment section below. Hit that like button. Also subscribe my channel FoodyRulz. Till then, goodbye. Vamshi here. Bye.